Welcome to the 17th World Congress of Bioethics here in Doha, Qatar.
We're delighted to be co-hosting the World Congress of Bioethics with Kyle and the HBKU, which represents a continuation of our long-standing relationship with both entities.
Ethics and ethical issues are once again at the center of global discussions all over the world. And this is due to fast developing technologies in the area of genetics, AI, fintech, cryptocurrency, and many other areas. We are hoping that this Congress will shed light on these pressing issues facing humanity from an interdisciplinary and also interfaith perspective.
We believe co-hosting this Congress will help to expand the narrative and discourse around the main theme of religion, culture, and bioethics.
In this edition of the World Congress of Bioethics, we will receive people from different parts of the world, from different disciplines and from different backgrounds. So this edition is truly inclusive, whatever your background, whatever your specialization, as long as you have something to contribute to the academic discussions of the field of bioethics, you are welcome.
My PhD project is in collaboration with the College of Health and Life Sciences and College of Islamic Studies. My project is on a phenomenon called geneticization in the GCC region, the ethical, legal, and social aspects from an Islamic perspective. I'm really excited that the next edition of the World Congress of Bioethics is going to be held in the Middle East region for the first time ever. I believe that this is a great opportunity to enhance the dialogues between different cultures, different religions, and different schools of thought.
My research focuses on the ethical and policy implications of premarital genetic testing in Qatar and the region. As part of my day job, I'm also the Manager of Content and Policy at the World Innovation Summit for Health. I very much look forward to welcoming you at the Bioethics Conference in 2024, which I'm sure will be a very exciting and thought-provoking few days. See you in Doha.
Because this edition of the World Congress of Bioethics will take place for the first time in the Arab world and the Middle East, you will have the opportunity to see a new culture, new civilizations. You will be able to visit museums here in Qatar to know more about the culture of this part of the world, the Arab world, the Muslim world, and Asia. So everyone is welcome to the 17th World Congress of Bioethics.